a promise set from above, from God the Father to us, that when this life ends, we have new hope to live again in the city that He has prepared.
Jerusalem, Jerusalem, only the righteous will make it there. It's not an easy road to reach there, but God will lead you right till the end, if only you trust Him, my friend.
I urge you today, there is no more time to waste. To share this gospel to the world today.